Hello YouTube, it's TechTimesZ with a new video, and today we'll be looking at the iOS 11 hidden features and tips and tricks. Let's have a look at them in depth and in detail. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, as I have got a new channel making new videos often. So let's get into it. So this next feature involves clicking the power button 5 times, and this allows the user to either call emergency services or turn off the power of your iPhone. This is a nice feature that Apple has implemented into the software, and this can be used to call emergency services in most countries. So this next feature allows users to change individual ringtones for their individual contacts. So type in the specified contact you wish to change the ringtone. Then after you've typed in the specified contact, scroll down and you'll see ringtone and text tone. From there you can individually change the ringtone for each contact. This is a nice feature that Apple has implemented into the software. So this next feature involves a camera app. So to create filters on an iPhone, it's not really a known feature, but in iOS 11, Apple have implemented an easy feature to apply filters to your image. So all you have to do is just swipe up within the camera app, and you have a range of features that you can add towards your photos to add a good and nice coloured effect. So this last feature allows users to take screenshots and edit them within the app that is used to take the screenshot. So all you have to do is take the screenshot in your desired app, then in the bottom left hand corner you are able to edit the photo and draw on it and even crop the photo. From there you can share the photo or add it to your photo library. It's as easy as that. So YouTube, thank you for watching this video. These tips and tricks are very handy of Apple to put into iOS 11. So please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you did enjoy the video, as I do have a new channel.